Hi there, students. Lesion. A countable noun and also a verb as well, although the verb is less common. Okay, a lesion. This is a medical word. It's a very general word for any type of bodily injury. So it could be a cut, a bruise, an abscess, a tumour. So it's any type of injury or any type of damage that your body has received. Yeah, it could be a scratch when you fall over, or it could be damage to an organ or something like that. So a lesion, this is a very general word, although it's a rather formal word as well. There are all sorts of things that would classify as a lesion. So a lesion, an injury, a bruise, yeah, black eye is a lesion. A scratch is a lesion. A wound is a lesion. A sore, yeah. A contusion is a lesion, yeah. An abscess, a spot on your skin is a lesion as well. Okay, so notice it's a very general, all-embracing word, although it's rather formal. So lesion, I think I would probably give this a 6.5 to 7 in formality. I think I would use it in a semi-formal writing or a formal writing. I think particularly in a medical context, or also in a legal context as well. Yeah. After he was released from jail, his body was covered in lesions. Okay, but so a lesion, it can be all sorts of any problem where your skin or your tissue or an organ is not as it normally should be. Yeah, it's any type of injury. Yeah, medically it's talking about some sort of structural change to your body because of an injury or because of a disease or because of anything that happens to it. Yeah, so a lesion, an ulcer, a spot, a sore, a scratch, a wound, a bruise, all of those. Okay, so as to origin, lesion, this comes from Latin, licio, an injury, from the verb lido, to injure or hurt. So, a lesion, a very general word for an injury. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Lesion.